In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to preview and share a Shopify theme before publishing. Previewing a theme is a safe way to see exactly how your store will look without changing what customers see on your live site. It's perfect for testing a new design, checking layouts, and getting feedback from your team before you publish anything. Start by logging into your Shopify admin in your web browser. Once you're on your Shopify dashboard, look to the left-hand sidebar and click Online Store, then select Themes. This is your central hub for managing how your storefront looks. On the Themes page, you'll see your current live theme at the top. Scroll down to the Theme Library section. This area contains all of your unpublished or trial themes, basically any themes you've added but haven't made live yet. Find the theme you want to look at and click the Actions button, which appears as 3 dots next to that theme. From the menu, choose Preview. Shopify will open a new browser tab showing your store as it would appear with that theme. Nothing changes on your live site during this step. It's just a preview. In the preview, look for a preview bar at the top or bottom of the screen. This bar gives you important controls and context. You'll see the theme name and its status, such as Draft for unpublished themes or Live for your active one. If your store uses multiple markets or languages, you can switch the country or language here to confirm that translations and regional settings display correctly. You'll also see a link icon that lets you generate a shareable preview URL, which is useful if you want someone else to take a look. When you're finished reviewing, you can close the preview from this bar to return to your admin. If you want to share the preview, click Share Preview in that same preview bar. Shopify will copy a special link that you can send to teammates or clients so they can view the theme preview on their own device. Keep in mind that preview links for unpublished themes are temporary and typically expire after about 2 days. If the link stops working, just generate a fresh one from the same place. That's it. You've opened your Shopify theme preview, explored the preview controls, and shared the link if needed, all without affecting your live store. When you're satisfied with how everything looks, you can return to the themes page anytime to continue editing or prepare for publishing.